Hey guys, so it's been a bit since we last showed you inside our store, Orlando Brick Co. in Longwood, Florida. We've had construction going because we're trying to get open. So let's go take a look. So we're hoping by beginning the middle of January we can finally open doors to everybody. You'll see a lot of differences from our last update. Yeah, we've been hard at work. So the first noticed change is this wall is gone now, right by Ryan's office over here. And then out over here, if you turn, you'll notice that we're getting a bunch of electrical work being done right now. And we got to get some plumbing done, which has been a setback, unfortunately. But once all this is corrected, we're almost ready to start laying down carpet, assembling all these faces, getting our Lego put in that, all those Lego Master displays hung up, so we're getting closer. So just a quick update, pretty much see what's been done. Definitely stay tuned for more updates. Visit orlbrick.com. You can still buy online, and like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.